Now, one final visual thing here that we might not notice so much since there's only a couple of slides, but as we get more of these items in the paginator, we'll notice that there's a lot more space between them than we have in our design here. So let's tighten up that spacing. I'll go back to the browser and I'll inspect one of these elements. And it looks like the spacing isn't happening on the anchor tag. So I'll hover over this list item. Okay, I see that orange border to the right and left. If we click on this, we'll see the margin right here. So just at a quick glance, it seems like 4 pixels is a good value. And it looks like our selector is Flex Control Nav LI. I'll copy the selector, go back to the editor, and I'll add this above here since it's less specific than these other ones. It doesn't matter too much here, but it could in certain situations. And again, the margin was 0, 4 pixels. So we'll set that here. Margin 0, 4 pixels. So now should we convert this 4 pixels over to rems? Well, we're using those throughout the other overrides. So I think it would make sense to continue to do so that it all scales appropriately when the user changes their font size. Okay, let's refresh, save and refresh. All right, so it looks like we got what we want.